Knowledge of health here. Just want to remind you, the universe is abundant. There is plenty of abundance on planet Earth. There is more than enough. There's not a lack of food. There's just the only reason that people don't get food sometimes is the people that are supposed to distribute it are evil. There's more than enough here. God has provided plenty enough. There's enough money to go around. I mean, billions, if not trillion, well, at least billions move through the stock market every day. So you getting a piece of that, it's no problem. All right, let's just check out the recent activity. I closed my CrowdStrike trade the other day. My goal was to get about $300. I just put in an order for $299.9 the other day. That looks $920, so a few days ago. I didn't want to get too greedy, so I just locked in some profits, $65 as you can see. And I was in it for a while. You can see I got in on August 6th and got out on September 20th. Just kind of waiting for it to do its thing. So, you know, free money. Just checking the charts every once in a while. Let's see. I trimmed a share of Tesla today at 266. My philosophy was, if you look previously, the chart in Tesla this year has only gone into an extreme high once. So just the fact that it was approaching it, I'm like, I'll just trim a little bit. And what I did was just trimmed a partial share, 0.3339. So I'm long-term Tesla, and I'm looking to buy any dips, but just rolling over some profits. I've been day trading the last couple of days the VIX futures, the svix and the uvix, and just starting out low and slow. Yesterday I made 75 cents. Today I made $1.10. Off you can see 83. So yeah, and I'm probably going to be getting to a point where I'm not even going to show the numbers or anything, because I'm going to start scaling up in some ways. And yeah, I mean, it's going to be a process. It's not going to be overnight, but it's a matter of time before I'm making like a ton of money, guys. So anyway, look at STM. I bought that. Let's check the charts. Morningstar has this at about over a 40% discount. It is a semiconductor. I believe it's based out of Europe somewhere. So a lot of stuff in the stocks right now are like, I feel like overpriced. So yeah, let's check out the chart on that one. Let's see, I bought it. I just bought it this morning, I guess. Yep. Man. Seems like it was yesterday, but it was just this morning. Crazy. Yeah, you can see it went way down. It's moving sideways, and it's trying to break out. It's undervalued. P/E ratio is super low. I mean, it's pretty much a no-brainer, really. I already had a little bit of it, and I was kind of down, but Yeah, I believe in it enough to do a small position. I don't know if I'm going to do a huge position. Maybe I'll add like one more share tomorrow. But yeah. Let's see what else I did. I trimmed my final share of AGQ trade. I think that was yesterday. Oh wow, it's even higher today. 43.40. I trimmed it. Oh, I guess that was this morning. 41.26. Let's see. Yeah, actually that was the last share I had, so I got out of the trade. So yeah, I guess I should have waited. Wow. A lot of things in the stock market were blowing up today, so it overall my account did really well. So let's see one thing real quick. One thing I wanted to discuss just real quick. At the beginning of the year, the very beginning of the year, if you guys remember, I completely converted my Ethereum and XRP into Bitcoin. So someone was asking me today, is it done better than those? Well, Bitcoin is up 45% year to date. And China is doing some quantitative easing, so people are predicting about a $78,000 price target here pretty soon. The Ethereum, this is the only chart I could find. Year to date, it's up 54%. Or I mean 15.74%, so not nearly as much as Bitcoin. And then the XRP is actually down, so that was the right move. My thinking is Bitcoin is limited, therefore it is a hedge against inflation. I'm just explaining this in the simplest of terms. The U.S. government, it's pretty much a given. They're going to print trillions upon trillions of dollars a year. The dollar is going to go down. Bitcoin is the opposite. It is a finite supply. It is a very limited supply. Therefore, its value is going to go up. So without getting, more in depth than that, I mean, I've read about it. I actually want to study more about it. But just to keep it in simple terms, it's a hedge against inflation. 20% of everything I invest goes right into that. So it's up 45% year to date. Like, I'm not up that much in it. But I mean, I am up in it. So I just kind of dollar cost average on that one. So yeah, anyway. Yeah, you guys gotta believe in yourselves. Let's see. Yeah, but I'm experimenting a little bit with day trading. I've done it 2 days in a row with just a small amount, and I've made a small amount. But yeah, there's a certain pattern that I've seen, and maybe I'll get into it at some point. But I have a theory a lot of money could be made, but I'm kind of going slow with it. I'm basically trading the VIX futures. So I don't know. I don't know if I'll get much into that one because I don't know. I'm experimenting with it, so we'll see. Alright, guys. Be good. Believe in yourself. Study the markets. There's tons of money to be made, guys. Google. Don't forget, Google partnered with Uber, the Google's Waymo. They have... Actually, I'll just find this picture real quick. Let's see. Don't forget, they're bringing ride hailing to Austin and Atlanta. They've already been in Phoenix and San Francisco. And with over 7+ million miles of rider-only driving, there's no driver. 85% reduction in injury causing crash rates. 57% reduction in police-reported crash rates. So it's already proven to be safer than human drivers. So any pullback in Google, Uber, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, nvda, those are the ones you want to buy. A lot of these are kind of pumping all-time highs right now, but if they pull back at all, below that 50 RSI, or if they go, if they go extreme low RSIs, there's a buy right away. Otherwise, just watch the charts and do the money flow pattern. Follow Gerald Peters, buy his book. Trying to remember the name of it. Money Flow, I think. Dang, I don't know. It's been a couple years since I read it. But Money Flow Trading System. Alright, guys. Also, plntr. I don't own that yet. Robinhood. I don't own that either, but they're both trading high right now, so not now, but I'm looking for them to pull back as well. A lot of things are just trading high right now. But those ones I think could be big. Lyft, I'm in, it's done okay. DoorDash has done pretty well. I have some, but not a ton. Let's see. Yep, that's about it.